Depth jump. The depth jump is a plyometric exercise which can be performed to improve reactive and eccentric strength. Stand on a low box. Step off the box and land on the ground with both feet. As soon as you touch the ground, jump up to the higher box. Use this plyometric exercise to improve the explosive and reactive properties of your legs. Reactive jump demonstrates an athlete's ability to rapidly change from an eccentric motion into a concentric muscular contraction and is an expression of their dynamic explosive vertical jump capacity. The target muscles are the quadriceps femoris, gastrocnemius, and gluteus maximus muscles, which are essential for jumping. The use of gravity to load the lower extremities takes advantage of the elastic properties of the lower legs and feet. This action is accompanied by the strength and power of the quadriceps and gluteal muscles to produce strong extension at the knees and hips. The erector spinae, along with the other core muscles in light brown, stabilize the spine. Arms swing helps to increase vertical jump height. The anterior deltoid flexes the shoulder, raises the arm. The arm swings contribute to the enhancement of the jump height not only by raising the center of gravity of the arms, but by augmenting the work of the lower extremity joints, especially of the hip and ankle joints. Concentric jump versus plyometric jump. On the left, we can see an example of a concentric-only jump, squat jump, where the athlete gets into a half squat position or half deadlift position, then pauses and performs only the pushing up phase of the jump. It's an explosive movement, but not considered as a plyometric movement. On the right, we see a plyometric jump. This exercise is a slightly more advanced exercise than the counter movement jump. Stand on the box, step off as if you are falling to the floor, and as soon as you touch the ground, jump up, rebounding. Such a movement makes use of the stretch-shorten cycle, where the muscles are pre-stretched before shortening in the desired direction.